From Blair Barry here. Okay, today we're going to do a number square. So what is a number square? Well, it's a square divided into segments, like noughts and crosses, and you're going to try and have each row add up to a certain number, a magic number. So I'm going to start easy. I'm going to do 3 by 3, and on each row, that row should add up to 15 if it's on a 3 by 3. You can make it a lot harder by going 5 by 5. Okay, so I've got my stone and I've drawn my 3 by 3 grid in it. Now the trick to this is pick a square. I'm going to write number 1. I'm going to go up 1 and right 1. That means number 2 goes here. I'm always going up 1 and then right 1. Then you ask what happens now. Well, if I go up 1 here, I come up here because it's a magic square. I'm going to have to go right 1, which would come out here. We've already got a number. So for this one here, instead of going up 1, right 1, I'm going to have to go down. Number 4 is going here. Number 9. Now the trick is, each row has to add up to 15. So let's get our thinking caps on. 1 plus 9 is 10, I hear you say, plus 5 is 15.